How to fill shapes in Google Slides. So in this video today we are going to learn about. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. I'm on my Google Slides. So first I will show you how can let me insert the image. So okay, so I need to just go image, upload the image here. I just select that image. Okay, this is an image. Okay, now you can click that image and you can crop that image if you want. Okay, so my image is perfect. If you want to crop your image, then you can crop from here. So it is crop your unwanted area. Okay, you have to just click that black line. Okay, black corner. Don't click on this white. Okay, and now just click outside. Your image will be cropped. Now just select that image again, and here under at beside the crop option, you can see this down arrow. Just click on it, and you can select any shapes to fill with image. Okay, so here you can see there is a rectangle, circular, oval, and the equation sign, arrows, and many shapes are there. Okay, so just click all, and you can see the image has been filled up with the shapes. Okay, like this one. Okay, now if you want to minimize or maximize the image size, just hit the shift button on your keyboard, hold it, and you can minimize and maximize the size by clicking this corner dot, and just minimize and maximize like this. It will be won't change your aspect ratio, and your image size will be changed perfect. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.